Catching up on clips and trailers. This is Disney's Lilo and Stitch, Dogs Can't Talk, in theaters May 23rd. Are you guys excited? I'm very excited for this movie. I think this is a clip, but let's check it out.
Whoa. This one must have been a good one.
I love him so much.
Whoa.
Oh, what is that?
A dog, I think.
Looks like some kind of baby bear that come out of the trash.
I like him. Come here, boy.
Yeah, let's put this one back, Lilo.
Come here.
Sweetie.
You know, we do have better dogs, like way better.
Not better than him. She can talk. Say hello.
Dogs no can talk.
Dogs can't talk, Lilo.
Very cute. You guys excited for Lilo and Stitch, May 23rd? I'm scared to work it. I work at the movie theaters, but do you guys have your tickets? Let me know down below. Please be respectful, clean up after yourselves, and thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.